IMUX stock, Immunic Inc. So the stock has been rallying within a longer term bearish trend. The rally we're talking about now ensued exactly 1 week after the company disclosed that it launched a $250 million mixed securities shelf registration, and exactly 1 week after that the rally ensued, and it's currently now above its 50-day moving average on its daily charts. But on the underlying trend is still very much a bearish one. And if we have a look at what's going on, we can see that based on this pair analysis, the stocks in this in this pair group, what are they called? What's this group called? It's the pharmaceutical and medical research / biotech and medical research / biotech and medical research. So the stocks in this pair group, the only one that has returned, only two of them have returned what looks like a decent outcomes. You know, they clearly the most outstanding one is AVRO, that is Afro Bio Inc. The other one is CNTB. For some reason, IMUX is just returned just nothing, just zero, not negative, not positive, zero, just 0% return over the last 1 year. And I guess it's trying to improve in the last 1 month. Okay, because just revalidating the rally we talked about now. It has returned, or rather that rally, this rally I was talking about, that ensued from the middle of November is actually the total of around 11.3%. So I guess things are improving. If you go down, let's have a look and see what the highlights of all that is going on with Immunic is. It's saying that it currently has a rating of 3, which is significantly below the S&P 500 index average rating of 8.9. On days when the market is up, IMUX shares tend to outperform the S&P 500 index. However, on days when the market is down, the shares generally decrease by more than the index. So it's not so wonderful if that is the case. In the short term, IMUX has shown average correlation of greater than and equal to 0.2 and less than and equal to or less than 0.4 with the S&P 500 index. The stock has, however, shown high correlation, that is greater than or equal to 0.4 with the market in the long run. Overall, over the last 90 days, IMUX has been more volatile than the overall market, as the stock's daily price fluctuations have exceeded that of 99% of the S&P 500 index firms. So yeah, that's in a nutshell what the highlight of IMUX is. So this is its daily chart. So it's currently up around it's up around 4.13% in this regular session of today, the 13th of December 2023. So this is its extrapolative price forecast. So it's currently saying that the stock should be doing better than it is doing right now. So as things stand right now, there's an indication. It's indicating that it should be trading at $1.9, and for some reason as well, this indication of 1.93 is also in confluence, in agreement with its with one of its Fibonacci projections. Okay, so outside that, it's projected that it should maintain this sort of level and even extend slightly upwards to around 2.09, Thursday the 28th of December. Okay, so outside that, we have a downward projection of $1.2. So as a matter of fact, that 1.93 is an upper projection. Yes, 1.87 actually, 1.87. And outside that, there's this volume indication related to a price, which is 1.65. All of these are all above it, but there are downward projections that go all the way down to 0.2808. Okay, so let's have a look at the 1 week chart, or before we go that, we can have a look at the 45-minute chart or even the 4-hour chart and see whether we have more ambitious projections, and also see what extrapolative price indication is saying. So this is a 4-hour chart. So here we can see, yes, extrapolative projections. We have okay, for those ones have passed. So as things stand right now, as things stand right now, it is for Wednesday, for today as well, it's projecting $1.66. Okay, so moving on, we have projections of all the way towards 1.5, but Fibonacci projection wise, they have 1.39. It's something that can be achieved. Okay, so 4-hour chart didn't give us anything ambitious. Okay, let's look at the 1-week chart and see what we have for IMUX. Okay, look at that. Look at the extrapolative price indication for Monday that just passed, Monday the 11th of December. Okay, if that is good, you can take that 61.39. Okay, so and this is an upward sloping indication. It reaches it gets to $72 or thereabout and plateaus. So, well, if that's going to make you happy, you can, I mean, by all means, have you can take that, 72.21. Okay, that will be the highlight of the stock, So yeah, outside that, I think the most realistic of all the projections will be, let's have a look. We have to go back to its daily chart and see. The most realistic of them all will be $1.8 or thereabout. I would say let's just put it at $1.93. No, 1.3, $1.84. That will be the most, $1.87. That will be the most realistic. But if it gets to $61, $72, that would be really great. So see what you make of IMUX, and thank you very much for watching this video.